All right, guys, here's a video of the evens that we did in class today. Okay, so for number 30, what you want to do on these is just set them equal to x and change to exponential notation. So here, our base is 6, so we're going to go 6 to the power of x equals 36, and then you could just kind of figure that out. I know 6 to the second is 36, so x is going to equal 2. Okay, for number 32, if I set this equal to x, I'm going to have 9 to the power of x equals, now this time kind of equals something weird, 1 over 81. So let's think about this. We know that 9 to the second equals 81. So that gives me that. But how do I make it go on the bottom? Remember, we have to make the exponent negative. So 9 to the negative 2 is going to be 1 over 81. So x is going to equal negative 2. All right, number 34. If I set that equal to x, I'm going to have 9 to the x equals 9. That's going to be 1, right? 9 to the first equals 9. So pretty easy, right? All right, now number 36, we did this in class today. Remember, an ln and an e cancel each other out. So you're going to have 3x equals 21. And if you divide both sides by 3, you're going to get that x equals 7. All right, number 38. Oh, darn, I don't have a calculator, but I'll get one. Okay, if I want to get rid of an e, I'm going to take the ln of both sides. So I'm going to get ln of e to the x plus 7 equals the ln of 19. And then ln of e cancels out, and you're going to get x plus 7 equals the ln of 19. Now to solve that for x, we need to subtract 7. So we're going to plug this into our calculators, and we're going to get ln of parenthesis 19 minus 7. The reason why I put parentheses in there is because your calculator is going to put that parenthesis in there for you, so you're going to have to close it before you subtract 7. Let me grab my calculator really quick, you guys. Hang on a second. I'll try to use my phone for this so I can get you an exact answer. Let's see. There we go. So plugging that into my calculator. Let's see. That's going to be, oh my gosh, there's stuff all over the place. Okay. So you have ln of 19. If I can find my ln on this calculator. And then minus 7. Okay, I got that x equals negative 4.055. Okay. All right, number 40. Okay, change to exponential notation, right? So you have 3 to the second equals x plus 2. And then it's just a simple equation that we need to solve. So 9 equals x plus 2. If you subtract 2 from both sides, that's going to give me that x equals 7. All right, same thing for number 42. So I have x to the second power equals 64. If you take the square root of both sides, it's going to give you x equals plus or minus 8. But you guys remember this base, this x, has to be positive. So it's just going to be x equals positive 8. So because this must be positive. Please remember that when you take your final, because negative 8 would be one of your answers, okay? All right, number 44. So on this one, I want to take the log of both sides. So log of 5 to the x equals log of 12. Then I'm going to take my exponent, bring it out. So I'm going to get x log 5 equals the log of 12. And then I'm going to go ahead and divide by log 5. And plugging that into my calculator. Remember, again, the graphing calculator is going to put parentheses around those guys. So let's see what we're going to get. We're going to get log of 12. And then divided by log of 5. And you guys, I got x equals 1.544 or something like that. All right. Okay, number 46. Now, you guys, there is something like this on your final, so I would make sure that you star that. If I want to get to this x here, I'm going to get rid of this 5 first. So I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 5. So that cancels, and then I get 1.5 to the x equals 2,000 divided by 5 is 400. And now if you look at it, this problem now looks very similar to this problem, doesn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and take the log of both sides. So log of 1.5 to the x equals the log of 400. Then I'm going to bring my x out. So it's going to give me x log of 1.5 equals the log of 400. And then to get my x all by itself, I'm going to go ahead and divide by the log of 1.5. All right, so putting that into my calculator right here, I'm going to get, let's clear that. So it's log of 400 divided by log of 1.5. And I got 14.776. All right. Now you guys, number 47 and 48 we did in class today, so I'm not going to do those again. Let's look at number 50. So this is when we want to condense. Condense means to make smaller, right? So I see that I have 2 logs on this side. I can condense those into log base A of 9. Remember, a plus is going to turn into a multiplication and then a 2, okay? So this is log base A of x. Now that I have 1 log on each side, I can actually cancel them out. So this cancels with this, which is going to give me that x equals 9 times 2. And I know that 9 times 2 is a nice little 18. All right? And then you guys, we didn't finish number 51 in class, but I'll do 52. I'll finish 51 for you right now. So on this one, before the only way to condense is to take this 3. I need to get rid of this. And I'm going to bring it back to the top because that's where it came from, right? So I have log base 5 of x equals log base 5 of 2 to the 3rd power, okay? Now that I have 1 log on each side, I can cancel out the log base 5s, leaving me with x equals 2 to the 3rd. And I know that 2 to the 3rd is 8. All right? Now, you guys, what we really have left after this, if you kind of look at this review, we have one more log problem. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do that one. But then, where's the rest of them? Oh, that's weird. It looks like it didn't upload the rest of my document. But then the rest is going to be pretty much trigonometry, so that's good, okay? All right, let me go ahead and do 54. Might as well get that done and finish the log section. So this changed to exponential form, so I have x to the 2nd power equals 25. And if I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to get that x equals, again, plus or minus 5. You guys remember, the base cannot be negative, so it's just going to be x equals positive 5. I have to exclude that negative value. All right? So I hope that helps. And then tomorrow we're going to go ahead and finish this and do the trigonometry. Okay? Have a good day, guys. Bye.